Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a couple of interesting body camera options from BOBLOV, specifically the M7 and the B4K6 models. These aren't just for law enforcement. They're designed for anyone needing reliable, hands-free recording, whether for work, security, or even personal projects like vlogging or outdoor activities. Let's start with the BOBLOV M7. What immediately stands out about this camera is its unique 180-degree rotatable lens. Unlike many body cams that are fixed, the M7 allows the user to easily switch shooting angles. This flexibility is a big deal, especially in dynamic situations or when you want to capture something specific without repositioning the entire camera. It's great for getting that perfect first-person perspective or even for taking a quick selfie video if you're using it for vlogging or personal documentation. This feature makes it incredibly versatile for things like construction site recording, security patrols, or even just capturing a bike ride from a different angle. Powering the M7 is a substantial 4,000 milliamp hours battery. The manufacturer states this can provide between 12 to 15 hours of continuous recording time. That's a significant duration, making it suitable for long shifts or extended recording tasks without the constant worry of needing to recharge. For professionals like law enforcement officers or security personnel on long patrols, this kind of battery life is essential for ensuring uninterrupted footage throughout their duty. Another key feature of the M7 is its built-in GPS functionality. This is crucial for documenting events accurately. The GPS tags every video recording with precise location data, providing undeniable proof of where and when something occurred. For investigative work or security tasks, having this integrated location tracking adds a layer of credibility and detail to the recorded evidence. It essentially maps out your route and location while you're recording. The M7 records in 1080p HD, providing clear video quality for its intended uses. Now, let's shift gears and look at the BOBLOV B4K6. This model steps up the video quality game, featuring advanced chipsets and sensor lenses designed to deliver true 4K video resolution. Paired with a high-quality microphone for crystal-clear audio, the B4K6 aims to capture events with exceptional detail and clarity. Where the B4K6 really differentiates itself is its power system. It comes equipped with not one, but two 3,000 milliamp hours rechargeable batteries, along with a dedicated charging dock. This dual battery setup is highlighted as an innovation in the body camera market. With both batteries, the B4K6 can offer up to 16 hours of continuous recording, specifically at 1080p resolution according to the information provided. This design is clearly aimed at users who need maximum uptime and the convenience of swapping batteries and charging them externally. It's built for long shifts, extended outdoor activities, or any situation where you need reliable, long-lasting power without being tied to a charger. So, you have two distinct options here. The M7 offers the unique flexibility of a rotating lens and integrated GPS, powered by a large internal battery. The B4K6 focuses on delivering true 4K video quality and provides extended recording time through its innovative dual battery system and charging dock. Both cameras come with 128 gigabytes of storage, ensuring plenty of space for recordings. Choosing between them would likely come down to whether the rotating lens and GPS are higher priorities, M7, or if 4K resolution and the swappable dual battery system are more important for your needs, B4K6. Both are presented as robust tools for capturing important moments and ensuring you have reliable footage when you need it most.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.